Did you know that with SamCart's revolutionary one-click checkout, your customers can breeze through their order in just 8.4 seconds? That's 8 to 10 times faster than the tools you're currently using. Get ready to give your customers the ultimate Black Friday shopping experience, where speed is your secret weapon. Faster checkout means higher conversions, more customers, and ultimately, more profit. Don't just take our word for it. In our beta test, one of our customers saw their conversion rate skyrocket from 3.3% to a whopping 8.75%. That's a remarkable 2.6 times boost to their conversions. So, how can you unlock this incredible advantage? It's simple. Just follow these steps on how to activate digital wallets for your store. To enable digital wallets, first, let's turn it on for your processor. Then, you'll open up any product, go to the Payments tab, and turn on digital wallets. Save those changes, and you're all done. The checkout for the product will now accept digital wallet payments. With Apple Pay one-click checkout and Stripe Link, the results speak for themselves. All of this is possible with SamPay, your ticket to frictionless, lightning-fast checkouts. Say goodbye to long, frustrating forms and hello to seamless transactions. This Black Friday, give your customers the gift of time. Let them shop effortlessly and watch your sales soar. Get ahead of the competition and boost your Black Friday sales with SamCart's one-click checkout through SamPay. It's time to turn those clicks into conversions. If you want to make Black Friday your most profitable day of the year, check out the 2023 Creator Profit Report. We studied the $3.7 billion in sales through SamCart and have 48 surprising stats to share that can boost your conversions and make you more money. Put this data to use this Black Friday. Visit samcart.com/Black Friday to get your free copy today.